Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie. We have a special guest today, Theresa here with Sipology. Theresa?
Hi there.
Tell us a little bit about what you guys got going on.
So Sipology is a company where we sell loose tea. It's all natural. It's products that are imported from, like this matcha, from Japan. So it's all natural products, and we are going to make some drinks with it, Robbie, because tea goes really well with rum.
Cool. All right, how do we get this stuff if we're interested?
So you can go to sipology.com/theteas, T-E-A-S, leave off the last E. It's not that kind of teas.
Cool. I'll leave the link in the description below so you guys can find the stuff. I know I love it, so this drink's gonna be awesome. What are we making today?
We're gonna make a matcha mojito.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool. Super easy, right?
So easy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so easy. We're not muddling anything today.
Nice.
So we like just a few ingredients.
All right.
Water, matcha, and rum.
Well, get after it.
All right. So for our two drinks, we're gonna put 16 ounces of water and some ice. There's some ice in here. So we got some cold water, some ice. We're gotta make sure we leave enough room for the rum. And we're gonna put a full teaspoon, so it's 2 half teaspoons of matcha. And we've got these great long spoons to get in the bottom of this bag. So So this Mojito Matcha is sweetened with a little stevia and spearmint flavor. So you wanna put in 4 ounces of our basil rum.
So you've got the tea, you got the cold water, you've got everything you need. And Sipology sells this bottle and...
So, yep, this, we call it our Big Sip, and we use it for shaking matcha and various other drinks.
Yeah.
And let's make sure that we've got enough room in here.
And you just buy that online just like everything else.
Yes.
And...
We've got some really cool colors too. There's purple, there's blue, there's a mango color.
Yeah, I've noticed the accessories and the stuff you brought for other things is really, it's nice. It's like high-end stuff.
It is, and you know what? This one is double-walled steel, so it's gonna keep your drink cold or warm, whatever you're making.
Yeah.
Don't shake hot matcha, please, for the love of everything.
Because it blows up.
Oh, yeah.
That could be dangerous, right?
Oh, that could be very dangerous. So give it a good shake, get everything mixed up in there.
Cool.
So.
That's it?
That's it.
Super easy.
Super easy. Look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
Spearmint and basil, what could go better? Yeah.
It looks a little vegetal.
You know what?
Yeah.
Matcha has 10 times the amount of antioxidants as like a cup of green tea.
So you're saying this drink is healthy?
If you want it to be, it is. If not, then it's just a rum drink.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a healthy drink.
That looks awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. The description will be in the links will be in the description below to the recipe and in her website where you can pick up the tea. Don't forget our rum is in your local liquor store. We do tours every Saturday. Cheers and thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Theresa.
Thanks, Robbie, for having me.